Now we're turning to another distribution of Linux. Ubuntu, hello, once again. The Uncomplicated Firewall is installed but is turned off by default. You can completely control it easy by searching for App Center and then type Firewall, then select Firewall Configuration. And here is the graphical interface ready to be installed. Click on Install. Now hit Authentication Password. As you can see, the graphical interface of Uncomplicated Firewall is installed. And now to find it, you have to go to Menu and then click on Firewall Configuration to launch the app. Why GUI is useful? No need to memorize commands. Rules are displayed in a clear table format, easy to manage applications and ports visually. You will just click on the status icon to activate it.